So let's look at some operators. And these are simple mathematical operators, except for the first one is more universal. This is called the assignment operator. We've already been using it. It's the equal sign. And all it says is something is equal to something else. Now, typically, this first, the thing that precedes the assignment operator is a variable. Usually we're saying we're going to put the number 3, the integer 3, in the variable x. So in this case, it's quite simple. We all can say that x is equal to 3, right? So now I'm presenting you with a more complicated expression, and this is what an expression is. An expression is one or more variables and an operator that are used to create some kind of result. Super generic definition, but because there's millions of different expression types. But this is an expression. So in this expression, using the addition operator and the assignment operator, what would we say x is equal to in this case? So go ahead and shout out. Yeah, math is hard. All right, 4. You guys are getting warmed up. Well, that's okay. We'll get you there. Another really difficult one using the subtraction operator. What is x equal to here? 2. Good, good, good. So now we are going into multiplication. You may or may not be aware of this, but the asterisk is used for multiplication in virtually all programming languages. The reason is that the other things that we've used in the past to represent multiplication, like a dot or the letter X, those are obviously taken for other things. So the asterisk is what we use. So x is equal to what in this expression? 6. Okay, now we have division. This is a more common than the asterisk, but not completely common. So this reads 9 divided by 3. And it's a single forward slash. Can anybody tell me how you know the difference between a forward slash and a backslash? Anybody have any good tricks for remembering that? Okay, the forward slash leans in the direction that we're reading. It's leaning forward because we read from left to right. So it's leaning in the direction that it's leaning into it. It's leaning forward. So the result of this expression is x equals what? 3, right? Okay, and then we have an exponent. In some languages, the exponent is symbolized using the caret, which is the little thing that looks like that. In Python, we use 2 asterisks to represent exponents. So this would read x equals 2 to the power of 4. So that's 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, also known as 16. Right, 2 to the 4th power.